In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable products on Redbubble. Starting off, for those of you who are new to Redbubble, it's a fantastic platform that allows independent artists to sell their designs on a variety of products. Whether you're an artist looking to share your creations with the world, or simply wanting to diversify your product offerings, understanding how to enable products is key. First things first, navigate to the Redbubble homepage. This is your gateway to exploring all the awesome products designed by independent artists, just like yourself. Once you're here, you'll want to log into your account. Look for the login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your details. On the login page, you'll be asked to type in your email address. Make sure you input the email linked to your Redbubble account. Following that, you'll need to enter your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure you're entering it exactly as you set it up. After your credentials are entered, go ahead and click the login button. Success? Great. You're now logged into your Redbubble account and ready to manage your artistic portfolio. Once logged in, navigate your way back to the Redbubble homepage. You might wonder, why go back home? Well, it's the starting point for accessing your personal artist dashboard. From there, click on your profile located at the top right of the page. It might display your profile picture if you've set one up. A drop-down menu will appear where you'll find and click on the Manage Portfolio option. Now that you're in your portfolio, it's time to get down to business. Find the product you wish to edit. Redbubble makes it easy by providing a cogwheel icon next to each product for quick access to settings and options. Click on this cogwheel and then select Edit from the options provided. With the edit page open, your next step is to click on Product Previews. This area is where you'll see all the product categories available for your design. It's quite an assortment, so take a moment to look through and decide which products are the best fit for your artwork. For demonstration purposes, let's say we're going to enable our design on standard print clothing. Navigate until you find this option, then go ahead and click on the box to enable it. You'll notice that when a product is enabled, the checkbox will display a check mark. This is your visual confirmation that the product has been successfully enabled. Finally, the last step in this process is to save your work. Even though it might seem obvious, it's a crucial step. There is a Save Work option available, typically found at the bottom or top of the page. Clicking on this will ensure all your changes are updated and applied. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled a product on Redbubble. It's worth noting that you can repeat this process for as many products as you like. Redbubble offers a variety of products from clothing to stickers, home decor, and even accessories. Take the time to explore what's available and think about how your designs can be best represented. Remember, the key to success on Redbubble is not just about uploading your designs, but also making them available across a wide range of products. This not only increases your visibility, but also your potential revenue. Experiment with different products and see what resonates best with your audience. By following these steps, you're well on your way to maximizing your reach on Redbubble. Keep creating, keep uploading, and most importantly, keep enabling your products. Who knows, your design could be the next big hit on the platform. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. I hope it was helpful and has inspired you to take your Redbubble portfolio to new heights. Happy creating and see you in the next video.